Hello, it's Wednesday. I talked to you all about this yesterday, but you have two tasks today. So first one, most importantly, is due at the end of today is your monitoring for meaning practice. Okay, so we went over this as a class yesterday. I read through it with you. The prompt is on the agenda, but most importantly, the prompt is also written in the discussion in your Schoology group where you will be submitting your answer. Please read the prompt carefully. There are 4 parts to it. Zach just threw a ball at me. As I was saying, there are 4 parts to the prompt that you need to make sure you are responding to, okay? So first, you're going to just briefly tell me, or your group, what part of the book that you were at when you needed, to monitor for meaning when you felt a little lost or confused. So what was going on in the book? Specifically state what you were confused about. Talk about, then explain what you did to address the confusion. So that's where you use that virtual notebook sheet, like those strategies, those, fix up or monitoring for meaning strategies, like slow down, reread, look up the word, etc. And then the most important thing that I'm looking for is that then you explain the resulting change or not in your understanding of that section. The only other task that you have for today is to look at the agenda and expectations for your book clubs tomorrow. There's a link on your actual calendar. It'll take you 1 second, but I expect you to have looked at them and understand them tomorrow, and I will be able to tell if you have reviewed them or not. It'll literally take 1 minute. So please do that. Again, the link is in today's calendar square. Last thing I want to say before I let you work. Whether or not you've been checking the parent portal, I have been keeping diligent track of whether or not you are completing assignments, okay? So if you do not complete an assignment on time, it is marked as missing. Then it stays missing. But if you realize that and you end up turning the assignment in, which is great, I don't know that. I don't go back and check for the most part. I don't get a notification. So that means that will remain missing in the grade book or incomplete until you specifically email me and tell me that you submitted it, or even better, email me with the attachment or with whatever the assignment was that you turned in late, okay? Only then will I go back and change it to, completed, but otherwise I will have no idea. So be on top of that, all right? You don't want a ton of incomplete work at the end of this, otherwise I can't fairly, pass you. All right, so homework due tomorrow. Complete and submit the monitoring for meaning practice that I spent the first half of this video talking about in your Schoology discussion group. Okay, do that. And most important thing, complete your first reading assignment, which is due tomorrow because you are having your first official book clubs. All right. If you do not show up, you will not get credit. Again, review the expectations and know what I am looking for. I am looking forward to them. And that's it. Bye.